Hi, a pleasant good day to all. My name is Tara Mani and I will be presenting this commentary video based on the documentary Wrestling with the Angels by Marsha Pierce, exploring Caribbeanness. Now, this documentary, in my opinion, was set out to illustrate many aspects of our identity as a Caribbean people, looking at the context of music video production and relating that to our identity and who we are as a people. After looking at this documentary, there were many aspects of our identity showcased, such as Mr. Ras Casa highlighting Jamaican dance, a type of dance that belonged to them, and in agreement with him, a culture that is worth fighting for. When foreigners come to our islands, they come to experience what we have, not what they are accustomed to. Trinidadian composer and musicologist Mr. Mangal Patasa believed that part of our culture is the way in which we can blend our instruments together with our ethnic characteristics and create one music. The documentary tries to show what our story is and where we came from, mainly through our music and our dance. Now, the video focused on music video productions in the Caribbean and exporting what we produce internationally. The opinions expressed in relation to exporting our culture through these productions is selected omission based on popularity and demand of the international consumer. In other words, if the foreigners don't like it, then we have to water down what we produce so that they do like it and we can make money from it. However, because of this, our culture won't be truly highlighted because we have to give the consumer what they want in order for us to progress further. Now, I agree with the director J. Will when he says that some aspects of our culture may scare the foreigner, and we need to market ourselves to the likings of the foreign eye. Also, I agree with Mr. Walt Lovelace when he said that cable TV has infiltrated the Caribbean. I agree with this to a certain extent. However, I disagree when he says that Trinidad doesn't have anything unique to it. To refute this, I have to mention chutney music or chutney soca music or tassa. You don't find that anywhere else in the world. Now, this leads me to my next point of what, in my opinion, should have been incorporated into the video. Now, the documentary focused on a certain type of genre, reggae and dancehall music. But if you're speaking of the Caribbean, you have to share focus on other types of music such as soca and chutney and even tassa. Also, different instruments such as a steel pan was not mentioned. After looking at this video, to the foreigner, it may seem that this third world region is trying to achieve first world status with their third world class. In other words, the Caribbean is trying to reach international standards using certain aspects of our culture that is not consumption worthy to the people out there. According to director J. Will, again, if he chooses a certain type of woman to dance in his video, internationally, people may think she's ugly and don't want to look at it and they may change the channel. It's not their definition of what is beautiful. To the native, however, it is admirable for us to try to showcase what we have as a people. It is our true essence of a people, the true essence of Caribbeanness, which is characteristic through our dance, our music, our instruments, and we should never have to give up what we do because that is our story.